DIY shampoo from scratch. The majority of the proof for the efficacy of homemade shampoo is anecdotal. We can't really say if it's safer or better for your hair than store-bought shampoo because there isn't a lot of clinical study in that area. You may learn a lot about creating your own shampoo from scratch if you're seeking an alternate method to keep your scalp and hair clean. DIY shampoo bar. Although shampoo bar recipes are a little more involved than liquid shampoo recipes, there are still many fantastic ideas to try if you enjoy the concept of shampoo bars for travel or environmental reasons. Many recipes call for lye, but the one that follows doesn't. Ingredients: 1 cup Castile Melt and Pour soap, 1 teaspoon olive oil, half a teaspoon castor oil, half a teaspoon black molasses, 15 drops of vanilla essential oil, 15 drops of patchouli essential oil, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, 1 soap mold. Directions: 1. Cut the Melt and Pour soap base into small cubes. 2. Add to a double boiler over low to medium heat, aluminum bowl in a pan with heated water halfway up the bowl. Instead of boiling, water should be simmering. 3. Until the soap base is melted, stir continually. 4. Mix thoroughly after adding the oils and black molasses. 5. Remove the bowl from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. 6. Mix thoroughly after adding the essential oils. 7. Pour into the mold, then let it stand for 24 hours. DIY clarifying shampoo. Clarifying shampoos are designed for those thorough cleans and should only be applied occasionally, usually once per week. They are designed to get rid of product buildup from things like hairspray, mousse, and other things. Use this recipe to make a mild clarifying shampoo. Ingredients: 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of water. Directions: 1. Pour all ingredients into a 16-ounce bottle. 2. Gently shake to combine the ingredients. Natural shampoo. The majority of homemade shampoos will be natural, but if you're looking for a fairly straightforward recipe to make at home, consider this one. Ingredients: half a cup water, half a cup Castile soap, half a teaspoon light vegetable or canola oil, omit if you have oily hair. Directions: stir each component very gently. Avoid overmixing, as it will make the mixture bubble up. Castile soap free. Despite Castile soap's surge in popularity as a household and cosmetic product in recent years, not everyone believes in its effectiveness. Ingredients: 1 can full-fat coconut milk, 13.5 ounces, 2 tablespoons raw honey, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, 1 teaspoon castor oil, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon essential oils of choice. Directions: mix each component together. Smooth by whisking. Before each usage, give it a good shake. For hair growth. There is study on the substances that you may use in your homemade shampoo recipe, even if there isn't much research on homemade shampoo itself. For example, a 2014 study trusted source discovered that peppermint oil encourages hair growth without exhibiting any negative effects. Green tea and honey recipe. Given that green tea fights dandruff, which may lead to hair loss, and honey is an excellent moisturizer for dry hair, this green tea and honey mixture may promote hair development. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil, half a cup green tea, a 1/4 cup Castile soap, 1 teaspoon lime juice or aloe vera, 5 to 10 drops of peppermint and lavender essential oils. Directions: 1. Green tea leaves, or tea bags, should be brewed. 2. Mix all of the ingredients, including the green tea, thoroughly. Carrot and maple recipe. This homemade shampoo made with carrots and maple is another potential hair growth solution. According to this 2016 study trusted source, maple syrup contains antibacterial qualities that help prevent dandruff and nourish your hair, while carrot oil has natural antifungal effects that promote hair development. This recipe can also be used for dandruff. Ingredients: 15 drops of carrot seed essential oil, 15 drops of castor oil, 3 tablespoons maple syrup, half a cup Castile soap. Directions: blend together all the ingredients. Aloe vera recipe. If your hair is dry and brittle, try this aloe vera DIY shampoo recipe. Aloe vera balances your scalp's pH level to reduce hair loss, while almond oil calms an irritated scalp. Ingredients: half a cup Castile soap, half a cup water, 1/3 cup aloe vera, 4 tablespoons almond oil. Directions: combine all the ingredients. There you have it. Thanks for watching.